What is it? Wait, Sissy. Let me help you. Okay, I'll rip it. Let me see, Sissy. Is that a pretty dress?
I got yours.
Let me see. Cool.
This for me. This for me. This for me.
Let me see. Let me see what it says.
Mommy.
I'm a wild child. Oh my word, yes you
Mommy,
are.
that's yours. Mommy, that's yours.
No, that's yours.
I want.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yes. I got a new shirt.
Let me see, sis. Is it a puzzle?
Yeah, how do you open it?
Okay, let's see what else is in there first.
I got your mine first.
Sissy, what is that?
Guys.
Is that makeup? You got new shorts.
I got a lot of clothes.
You got a lot of, you did get a lot of clothes. Let me see. Let me see what's on your shirt. What's that, Sissy?
I don't know. Colors.
Colors. Nina got you too much.
This for my daddy.
Honey, that's yours. Mom, let me help you? Are those your jammies?
I don't have these.
Yes, you did. Go look underneath your other clothes. What are those?
I don't know. I got these.
Are they jammies?
Yep. I have to open it. I have to open it.
Wait, what do you say to Nina?
Thank you, Nina.
What do you say, Bubba?
Thank you, Nina.
Say, I love you, Nina.
I love you, Nina.
Sissy? Say, I love you, Nina.
I love